There we go.
Woo! Got some pops. Let me get the other side.
Ah, that was amazing.
Where are you from, Michael?
Norfolk, Virginia.
See, I wanted him to say that.
Virginia Beach.
I wanted him to say that instead of me because it's hard for me to pronounce Norfolk. Did I say it right?
You got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Oh, nice. There we go.
Woo! Got some pops. Let me get the other side.
Ah, that was amazing. So good.
Let it all out. Ooh.
Ooh.
You beat these up pretty good.
Yeah, all the time. So we're saying risks or risk at wear and tear from being a chiropractor.
Pushing on
Yeah, pushing
people all the
time,
day,
yeah.
just jamming them up.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're
So
very
good.
professional.